In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a business card in Canva. To make a business card, click here on the Create a Design button, then search for business card. Then click on the suggestion that says Business Card Landscape. Now you can design your business card from scratch or select template you like from here. Now click on a template you like, then click here where it says Apply Both Pages. Now here you can customize anything you want. Let's say you want to change the name of your business card. Then select the name and enter your own text. Or if you want to increase or decrease the font size, then click these buttons. To change the text color, click here and select a color you like. In the same way, you can change the other text too. Just select the text and write your own text. Now change the logo of your business card. Then delete the current logo and then click on the Elements tab and search your logo. Then click Graphic and then drag and drop your logo. To change the color of your logo, select the logo and click the Color button, and then choose the color you like. Now, if you want to print your business card, click here where it says Print with Canva. Then click here and select how many cards you want, and then click the button that says Continue and pay the amount, and your business card will be delivered to your address. Now, if you want to download the business card, then click this button that says Share, and then click Download. If you have Canva Pro, you can change these properties, or if you have not, then simply click the Download button again, and your business card will start to download.